Hi. This week I've been working on things related to guides and examples. So the first I wanted to make a new example for Excel, but I want to avoid one step, which is to transform the grid into a table. So what I did is to add this option, promote row to header, which when selected and when we select an Excel file, it will promote the first non-empty row to a table header. This behaves like a table, the table data type, but it also behaves like a spreadsheet in the sense that it can have more than one section. So before this we had the spreadsheet, which is a grid of values, the table, and JSON. And now we have this hybrid, which is like a table but can have more than one table, which is like a spreadsheet. So with that, I was working on the paths, how to render the path for this new data type, and I noticed that they were rendered differently in the basket when I hold a reference in the basket as when I render them in the input list for a card. So I worked in unifying them, and so now they look nicer. With that, I could continue working on and finishing the examples for CSV and for Excel, and I added the ability to start directly from an example and from a link. So now you can go to the landing page of Instadeq and click and follow the guides directly without a user or any authentication. And so I completed those two. And I also, while doing the demo for Excel, I noticed that the empty cells were undefined and now they are not set. So not set, it's like null. I unified the column summary styles, and this you can see here. So you have these query parts, and at the end it says summarize column, which you can drag a column there and it will create a summary, mean, maximum, or average of the column. I made the placeholders look more like holes, like places you can drop things. Before they looked a lot like variables. And the card path item, this one looks more like a card now. I unified some styling things like drop shadows and borders. So that was what I've been working on this week. Bye.